If your sink drain is leaking right where it connects to the disposal, you gotta fix that fast before things get worse and water starts messing up your cabinets or floor. So here's the deal. First, grab a wrench and check those flange bolts holding the disposal to the sink. Sometimes they just get loose over time, so tightening them up can stop the leak. If that doesn't do it, you might need to replace the plumber's putty or gasket between the sink flange and the drain opening because they can dry out, crack, or get squished, causing water to sneak through. Make sure you clean off all the old putty before applying a fresh, even layer or put in a brand new gasket if that's what your model uses. Also, don't over-tighten the bolts or you might crack the sink or strip the threads. After reassembly, run some water and watch closely to make sure no leaks show up. If water still drips, double-check the connections on the disposal inlet and outlet pipes too. They might be loose or damaged. Lastly, always have a bucket handy under the sink when you work on this because some water will spill out. One of the biggest mistakes people make with sink drain leaks at the disposal connection is ignoring a loose flange bolt. This causes constant dripping and can ruin your cabinets. Fix it by tightening those bolts carefully but firmly. Another common problem is reusing old plumber's putty or gasket. These materials degrade and won't seal properly anymore. The fix is simple. Remove all old putty or gasket debris and put on fresh material during installation. Lastly, over-tightening is a frequent issue that can crack your sink or strip bolt threads, making leaks worse or repairs harder. Just tighten snugly and test for leaks before calling it done. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it helps homeowners find reliable local contractors who actually know their stuff and won't ghost you halfway through the job. Plus, contractors get matched with real clients who need their skills, making it easier to keep busy and build a solid reputation.